Life full of choices wey fit scatter everything in 1 second, and risk management show am well. This movie dey put you for moments where every decision get heavy consequence and tension just dey grow steady. One scene shows serious decision where dey weigh the mind. E quiet, atmosphere tight, and even small move dey full of stress. Another moment dey test trust and loyalty, where body language and eye contact dey speak pass word. One more scene carry moral wahala, subtle but e heavy. Every pause dey talk say something serious dey happen. Qwasi Blay, Gloria Gemadafe, Nwabi, and Annabel Apara deliver intensity naturally. Their eye, voice, and body dey show fear, calculation, and inner wahala. You no just dey watch them act, you dey feel the pressure as if you dey inside the matter. The way dialogue dey flow plus slow tension make the scenes dey real. At the end, e no be about avoiding risk, na to understand the weight wey every choice dey carry. This movie go still dey your mind long after lights don off.